braces pretty late into high school, but it was pretty messed up with it. They put it on my teeth that were weak, and I've always had genetic decay, but they never really said that. They just put the braces on, which caused a lot of other issues, and so it's been my fault for 13 years that I haven't been able to smile, or my teeth have been super bad. So I'm just really looking forward to being able to smile and be confident again and get my teeth back to me.
She is 22 years old, and unfortunately, for different reasons, she's gonna have to lose all her teeth, which would be very devastating to someone that young. So we're very, very happy and excited to do this case for her and have another new set of smile for her, because I'm sure this will change her life.
What she'll look like with her new and pretty teeth, and being able to eat and go out and not having to worry about people looking at her weird. I guess that was the main thing. But I'm ready to see her growth and her change now that she's going to be more confident in herself, and I'm ready for the adventure with her.
Oh,